Hello from the Arlo Lab. My name is Anna and I am your virtual technical assistant. Today we will be going over the new Arlo AI detection features. In this video, we will cover custom detection. Make sure to check out our other videos to find out more about person recognition, vehicle recognition, and fire detection. Let's get started. Custom detection is a feature of the new Arlo Secure Plus plan. It teaches your Arlo camera to recognize certain objects or changes within the camera view so you can get specific notifications such as garage door open or sprinklers on. Custom detection notifications will show the state as configured during the setup. Tapping on the push notification will take you to the Arlo feed event snapshot screen where the custom detection can be verified or corrected if needed. Feel secure, knowing exactly what is happening and changing at your property. To set up custom detection from the Arlo app, select the profile icon in the top left-hand corner. Next, choose your location under Locations and Plans and afterwards Custom Detection. You will see a short summary of what custom detection is, and after tapping on Create a Custom Detection, we can begin setting it up. First, enter what you would like the detection to be, for example, lights are on. Next, select the device you want the detection to occur on, and then take a snapshot of the different camera states. Then you would be able to choose which state you want to be notified about, what days and when the notification should come, whether it be at a specific time, when a mode is changed, or when motion is detected, or after the motion. And lastly, you can name the custom detection. When it comes to managing from the custom detection page, we can select the detection and adjust any of its settings. For example, we can check which snapshots are being used to train the AI, and we can choose to either keep it by not changing anything, moving it to train a different state, or deleting it entirely. Please note the AI features get more reliable with time as we teach them more using new images and new examples. It shouldn't be expected that a brand new setup will be 100% accurate immediately. Sometimes, if the AI is giving us false detections, all it needs is some time to improve. And that's it. Thank you for joining me today, and make sure to check out our other videos to learn more about the Arlo app and AI features.